Are you stuck staring at that frustrating Snapchat support code, SS06? Don't worry, we've got the clear, step-by-step fix to get you back snapping in no time. First, let's understand why this code, SS06, appears typically. It's tied to login discrepancies or security flags. This can happen if Snapchat suspects suspicious activity, if your app data is corrupted, or even sometimes due to network issues. Our first crucial step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi, or a poor cellular signal, can definitely trigger login problems. Try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data, or vice versa, and see if that makes a difference. If you're on Wi-Fi, try forgetting the network and reconnecting, or even restarting your router. Next, we need to refresh your Snapchat app. If you're logged in, completely log out of your Snapchat account within the app, then force quit the application by swiping it away from your recent apps on Android. This is usually done by tapping the square button or going to recent apps on iOS. It's swiping up from the bottom and pausing, then relaunch Snapchat and try logging in again. If logging out doesn't do the trick, it's time to clear your Snapchat app's cache. Go to your phone settings, find apps or applications, locate Snapchat, and then tap on storage. You should see an option to clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the SS06 error without deleting your account data after clearing. Restart your phone for good measure. An outdated Snapchat app is another common culprit. Head to your device's app store, the Google Play Store for Android, or the App Store for iOS. Search for Snapchat, and check if there's an update available. Installing the latest version often resolves bugs and compatibility issues that lead to errors like SS06. Double-check your username and password. It sounds basic, but a tiny typo can cause login failures. If you're unsure, consider using the Forgot Password option on the Snapchat login screen. This will send you instructions to reset your password, which can also help clear up any authentication issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, your account might be temporarily locked for security reasons. In this case, your best bet is to contact Snapchat support directly through their website. They can investigate the SS06 error specifically for your account and guide you through the recovery process. Remember to be patient and follow their instructions closely to ensure a safe and swift resolution.